degree. Okay, so here we will use the Pythagoras theorem. So here we need to find the value of x. So Pythagoras theorem says that opposite of 90 degree, that is 8, that is hypotenuse. So 8 square equal to, take the square and take the sum of the other two sides. So 3 square plus x square. Okay, so we need to find the value of x. So keep the x here and move the 3 square. This is positive 3 square. When we move that to left side, it will become negative. So 8 square minus 3 square equal to x square. Okay, so the 8 square minus 3 square, 8 square is 64 minus 3 square, 3 square is 9. So you will get 55. So x square equal to 55. So x will be equal to square root of 55. Okay, so square root of 55, that is 7.41. I will write the full number: 7.41619848. No need to write the full number. Okay, at least write at least 5 digits, then convert to 3 significant figure or what is mentioned in the question. Okay, so we need only 3 significant figure. So just see the very next number. So very next number, if it is 5 or more than 5, we need to add 1. So 1 will become 2. So you have to write 7.41. Okay, so x will be 7.41. So this side will become 7.41 meter. Okay, so the next question, opposite of 90 degrees hypotenuse. So we are applying Pythagoras theorem. So opposite of 90 degree is hypotenuse. So hypotenuse square, that means 4.3 square equal to, take the square and take the sum of other two sides. So 2.3 square plus y square. We need to find the value of y. So keep the y here, move 2.3 square. It is positive 2.3 square, right? So when you move to left side or right side, it will become positive, will become negative, negative will become positive. So we'll get 4.3 square minus 2.3 square equal to y square. So y will be square root of 4.3 square minus 2.3 square. Okay, so use the calculator. Square root of 4.3 square minus 2.3 square. So you will get 3. I will write the answer: 3.633180425. So round and write it in 3 significant figure, you will get 3.63. Okay, so y is 3.63. So this side will become 3.63 centimeter. Okay, this side will become 3.63 centimeter. Next question, we are using Pythagoras theorem. Opposite of 90 degree is hypotenuse. So take hypotenuse square equal to base square plus height square. Okay, so 11 square plus t square. Keep the t here, move 11 square. When you move 11 square, it will become minus 11 square. So 14 square minus 11 square is equal to t square. So 14 square, you can directly take the square root, otherwise find 14 square minus 11 square. So you will get 75. So t square is equal to 75. So t will be square root of 75. Okay, square root of, take the calculator and find square root of 75. You will get 8.660254038. So here we need to round and write it in 3 significant figures. So the answer will become 8.66. Okay, so this side will become 8.66 centimeter. Okay, here already they have given t centimeter. Okay, that's why I'm not writing centimeter here. It is t centimeter. So this will become 8.66 centimeter. I hope this part is also clear for you. Okay, so question D. Find the value of the unknown lengths in each of the following triangles. We are using Pythagoras theorem. So opposite of 90 degrees hypotenuse. So hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square. So base square 5 square plus height is p. So p square. So we need the value of p, so keep the p here, move 5 square to left side. So plus 5 square will come here, it will become minus 5 square. So you will get 13 square minus 5 square equal to p square. Okay, so 13 square, okay, 13 square minus 5 square is 144. So you will get p square equal to 144. So p will be is equal to square root of 144, that is 12. Okay, so p is equal to 12. So this side will become 12 meter. Okay, since we have meter here, that's why I'm not writing meter for the answer, because it is p meter. So p is 12. If you are writing p is equal to 12 meter, here you will get 12 meter meter. No need of that, right? Okay, so next question. Here also we are using Pythagoras theorem. So opposite of 90 degrees hypotenuse. So here hypotenuse square is equal to base square, that is 8 square plus height square. If you are asking if can we take this as base, okay, you can take this as base or this as height. It's the same. Okay, so we need to find the a value. So keep a square here, move 8 square to left side. So you will get 10 square minus 8 square equal to a square. So a square is equal to square root of 10 square minus 8 square, or else find this value then take the square root. Everything is same. So check the calculator, square root of, okay, I did a mistake here because we already took the square root. So no need to write the square here. Here we are finding a value. Okay. So, okay, a is equal to square root of 10 square minus 8 square. You will get 6. Okay. So a is equal to 6. So this side will become 6 centimeter. A value will be replaced by 6. So this side will become 6